contract. Communication, acceptation, revocation of proposal, communication, acceptance, proposal, acceptance of revocation. When it comes to knowledge of a person who made it. Revocation, how made the proposal by the communication of notice of revocation by the proposal of the revocation. Communication of notice of revocation to other party or by the lapse of time. Failure of an acceptance, the date of necessity of a proposal. Acceptance must be absolutely absolute and complete, expressed in a usual and reasonable manner. So, condition and required consideration. Acceptance, performance of condition. Chapter number 1. Chapter 11. Chapter 11. Acceptance must be absolute in order to convert to absolutely to absolute and qualified be expressed in some usual and reasonable manner unless proposal prescribed the manner in which it has to be accepted. If the proposal prescribed a manner in which it has to be accepted is to be in such manner, proposal may within a reasonable time after the acceptance communicated to him insist that his proposal shall be accepted in the prescribed manner. So इसने बोला वैसा accept करना चाहिए. Acceptance by performing condition of receiving consideration. Performance of condition of acceptance of consideration requires promises can be expressed in proposal of acceptance of promises made in words and said to be expressed so far as such proposal or acceptance is made otherwise in words the promise is said to be applied. तो 1 का नाम क्या है? Communication, acceptance and proposal. That's one. Second chapter of contract, voidable contract and void contracts. What are voidable order? What agreements are contract? All agreements are contract if they are made by the preconceived party component of contract. Consideration within the law of contract and not hurtfully. Its part is offer and proposal. Offer, proposal plus acceptance is equal to agreement. Agreement हो जाएगा और फिर certain person nothing in contention is wrongful and not orderly expecting by which any contract is required to be made in writing and in the presence of witness and any relating to registration of document. Who are component to contract? Every person is component to contract to age of maturity. He should be 18. He should be capable of. He should and sound mind होना चाहिए. Should not be disqualified. Section number 11 is also important. Only a person with age of majority of sound mind and no person with age of majority in sound mind can become an agent. A minor cannot be a partner or making joint acceptance, endorsement, delivery, negotiable and negotiable instrument. It means that a minor will not be personally liable himself in a negotiable instrument whatsoever. Moreover, he cannot be promissory note and accept bill of exchange. Refund of consideration received by minor. इसका case laws भी है इसमें. What is sound mind of the purpose of contracting? क्या है? Person said to be sound mind for the purpose of making contact with a time when it is capable of understanding it and performing a rational judgment of its effect upon his interest. A person who is usually unsound mind or occasionally sound mind can make with contact when he is sound mind, or a person who is usually sound mind but occasionally unsound mind may not make a contact. Okay. So, section number 13, consent. Free consent is subsection number 14. Causing undergoes for misrepresentation mistaken. Caution. Corrosion and influence, fraud, misrepresentation, and mistake. 16, 17 is fraud, 18 is misrepresentation, 19 is mistake. ये मुझे याद है. Fraud to deceive another party thereof is to agent or to induce someone intent to contract. Assertion is a fact of which it is true and one who does not believe it to be true. The active concealment of fact by having knowledge or belief of the fact, a promise made without any intention of performing it, any other act fitted to deceive. 18 is misrepresentation. Effect. What consideration and subject of law and what not. It is fundamental by law and it is fundamental defeat provision of law. Its formation involved impulse, century. Method of competition. Agreement in restraint of marriage void. Every agreement in restraint of marriage of any person other than minor is void. Agreement in restraint of trade. Every agreement of which any restraint exercising and lawful profession. Section number 28, chapter 2 में section 20 FD 28. Agreement in restraint of legal proceeding right. Restrict any public enforcement as I just Seal of guarantee, agreement of financial banking, discussion of agreement void for uncertainty, no clear agreement. Today's target of constitution is complete. 2 chapters are done. Hopefully tomorrow it will take only 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So revision and thorough study of contract will be end.